Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to best prepare your soil before you lay your new lawn.
Now turf, like most things, needs a proper foundation to survive. This means preparing a good base that has the right nutrients and drains well. Now first things first, you want to spray the area out with a non-selective herbicide. This will prevent any existing grasses or weeds from popping up into your new lawn. Now it's time to remove the existing grass. This can be done with a rotary hoe, or for bigger jobs, more specialised machinery like a bobcat or an excavator. For hard to reach areas and around pipes and edges, it's best to use a chipping hoe or to remove the grass by hand. Now, once you've spread the soil, it's time to get your levels ready for turf. Now there's a couple of things to keep in mind when getting your levels. The first thing is you want to keep the dirt about 20 to 30 mil below the top of any hard surfaces like garden edging or pavement, so your turf butts up nice and even with it. Remember, the level and shape of your dirt will be the level and shape of your turf, so be sure to factor in water flow and drainage when finalising your preparation.
Now you're ready to install your new turf. If you've never installed new turf before, keep an eye out for our next video and we'll show you how. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful lawn care tips and advice.